Well, 2 years ago today, Wisconsin had its first case of COVID-19, but we didn't know it at the time.
It took until February 5th for doctors to confirm the case, which happened in Dane County. We've learned a lot in those 2 years, and the fight against the virus continues. Our Brady Mallory joins us with a look back and what health leaders are saying as we move forward. Brady?
Well, when UW Health confirmed that first case of COVID, it was just the 12th confirmed case in the country at the time. The test was taken on January 31st. And the story of COVID in 2021 was vaccines. Eligibility expanded beyond the original universe of healthcare workers and the nation's most vulnerable people to eventually include everyone 5 years and up. And that gave a lot of people hope. Even though we've seen a spike in Omicron cases lately, Dr. Jeff Pothoff says we know so much more than we did 2 years ago when it comes to navigating this virus.
That leaves me hopeful for a future where COVID-19 will probably never go away, but one that we'll be able to manage with, probably annual vaccinations that protect against the most common variants. A day where we won't have to wear masks to prevent spread, a day where we won't have to avoid going to restaurants or out to, events where.
Dane County Executive Joe Parisi says the last 2 years have been challenging in a lot of different ways.
A huge physical and emotional and psychological strain on everyone, certainly not just on county government, but across the community. And so, dealing with everything we've had to deal with, trying to keep people on the same page, realizing how personal this has been for everyone. And
to date, DHS says more than 1.3 million cases have been confirmed in Wisconsin and more than 11,000 people have died. Health leaders are still pushing for people to get vaccinated. More than 3.6 Wisconsinites have received at least one dose of a vaccine, and more than 3.4 million have completed a vaccine series.